Guys, this is how you can allow your Instagram to access your calendar. You need to log into your Instagram account. You place on the profile, click on the 3 horizontal lines, then you scroll down, click on device permissions, click on any of these ones. Let's place on camera, update device settings, open device settings, click on permissions, then here we have calendar. It is not allowed, but we want to allow it. Place on allow, then go back. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and please subscribe.